Hello, this is your Action News reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. What a bright light that is. Who turned on the work light? I wanted to stay in bed this morning. Anyway, we're shooting the Black Hunter 35-pound recurve bow. We're shooting bear bow. I came across an article that caught my attention. The 8 most dangerous birds in North America, from the website A to Z Animal. That's what we're shooting today. Let's do it. The first bird that we're gonna shoot, and many of us don't consider them very dangerous, but they're the swan. Now the swans are very territorial. So if a human or an animal gets close to their nest, they will attack. They are represented by red arrow. Swans score 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 22 points. Way to go! Our next bird is called the herring gull. More often than not, they're called seagulls. Their main source of food is fish, but they're a danger to humans too. They like to swoop down and snatch their food. If they snatch it out of your hand, they could hurt you. The herring gull is represented by yellow arrow. Wow, look at that. Yellow arrow scores 2 in the 11 ring. Yay! Hip hip hooray! And a total of 31 points. Wow, that's awesome. Our next dangerous bird is called the barred owl. It's expert at flying low in the forest and snatching up small animals and attacking its prey, represented by orange arrow. Barred owls score 2 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 29 points. That's great. They take second place. Yay! Our next bird, dangerous bird, represented by white arrow, is the turkey vulture. Now they have a lot of these down in Florida. Turkey vultures will literally destroy a roof on a home and tear up your property in so many different ways. That's what makes them dangerous. They only eat dead meat, but they'll destroy your home, tearing it up. Turkey vultures, white arrow, scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 18 points. Black arrow represents the most dangerous bird in North America. It's the great horned owl. It's dangerous because it's sharp talons, sharp and strong. Its curved beak, it's very sharp, and his aggressive way of hunting. He's even known to capture and kill porcupines. Black arrow. The great horned owl, black arrow, scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 21 points. Not bad. Our next bird is the peregrine falcon. Not only do they have sharp talons and a strong beak, but they are a danger to small birds such as doves, pigeons, songbirds, and waddling birds. Waddling birds are birds that are in the swamps and they can walk through the water looking for bugs and things. And one amazing thing about this falcon, and I've seen this in video shorts, They can dive at 200 miles an hour or more on their prey, represented by blue arrow. Peregrine falcons scored 28 points. They are the first arrows not to get in the gold. Okay, here's our standing so far. In first place is the herring gull, 31 points, getting 2 arrows in the 11 ring. Wow. In second place with 29 points is the barred owl. And in third place is our swan's red arrow with 22 points. Our next bird, hunter, killer, the great northern loon. Once it zones in on its target, it can dive down into the water, kill the fish. It's got a really sharp pointed beak. It literally stabs the fish and then eats it whole. The loon is represented by brown arrow. The great northern loon, brown arrow, scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yes, we're back in the gold, yay! And a total of 26 points. Way to go! Our next dangerous bird, clocking in at number 4, is the snow owls, whose white feathers with a little bit of black in them hide him in the wintry Arctic areas. They pose a threat to lemmings, that's a small rodent in the Arctic tundra, mice, small birds, and fish. They're known as silent killers. They're intelligent and very strong, represented by green arrow. The snow owl, green arrow, scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 26 points. The last dangerous bird that we're going to shoot today is called the Harris's hawk. These hawks hunt in groups, as many as 9 in a group, so their prey hasn't got a chance. They like mice, pigeons, and other small birds. Harris's hawk, purple arrow. Harris's hawk scores a total of 15 points. Oh, that's low score of the day. This is your Action News reporter once again here at the winter stand, where we have our killer birds. In third place, we have blue arrow, representing the peregrine falcon with 28 points. In second place, we have orange arrow, representing the barred owl with 29 points, 1 point difference. And in the winner's circle, yellow arrow, the herring gull with 31 points. Wow, that was a sight. We're proud of these birds. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw and heard, please hit the subscribe button. We the winners and I, actually all the birds and I, would like to wish you a good day.